absolutely incredible. It comes with a plastic hose, but I'm not using that. Instead, I bought this rinseroo recommended by someone else that did a review, and I absolutely love the rinseroo. The rinseroo is so awesome. The only thing is you have to make sure that you set it up right, because if not, water will leak. So right now it's leaking, and I have to fix this from happening to avoid wasting water. Basically, you just have to make sure that there's no gap in between. So I need to fix that for the next one. But it just makes it so much easier for the water to fall through. And when you set it up right, it won't spill it. And so here I just filled up the water, and now I am just putting my delicates in to this batch so that we're able to get it all washed up nice and clean. So I've done a bunch of other laundry already, and now I'm doing the soft, gentle apparel that needs to be done. So I love that you're able to fit a great amount of clothes. I don't squeeze it in too much. But right now there's a lot of water. So what I did was I first tested it to see how it all fit before the water. But yeah, so this is great. And so now the soap's already in there, and because it's my gentle clothes, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on soft. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the timer. And it automatically just starts working its magic now, which I love. So for this part, you're able to open this and it does the laundry, but for this one you can't. Like, once you open it, that's it. So that I'll show later.
So after some trial and error, we finally got this working. We have one of these washing machine jacks that you put in to clean the laundry better. But so my boyfriend rigged this up. We got the Mochico and just rigged it to this, so we could just turn it on and water would flow in to here. And then here's the bucket where the water flows out. So I'm just doing a few rags and such. It actually takes pretty well. I put this at to wash for 6 minutes, so I don't know. And then when it's done washing, then you drain it, and then you can refill again to rinse, and then put it into the spinner. And make sure this thing is on top of your clothes or whatever you have. It works pretty well. This is the second time we've used it. And the spinner actually gets things 80% dry, 70% dry. So that's pretty cool. It doesn't take that long to dry after that, hang dry. We tried to rig it so this would drain into our drain pipe, but we haven't yet figured that out yet. And we may just have to just continue using the bucket because it's just easier, less sophisticated, but it's easier. So this works really well. We've had it for a few days now, and it's great. We just put we transferred some detergent into this, so it's just 2 or 3 pumps. We fill the washer up to here with water. And it works really well. And then make sure that this is the stuff in here is evenly dispersed so it doesn't make too much noise. Alright guys, love this thing. Bye.